Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and I don't normally post on a Tuesday, but I have a special video for you today. If you saw my video yesterday, you will recognise this card. This is a card that I made for a very select group of demonstrators that I swapped with during January. And I have received their cards, so I wanted to share them with you. So this is the card that I made for them. Swapping is a thing that we do usually at Stampin' Up events or team events between Stampin' Up demonstrators. But because we didn't have an event kind of planned at the beginning of January, we wanted, and we all like inspiration. One of our fabulous demonstrator friends, Amanda Charlesworth, if I remember, I will link her YouTube video below, organised a swap for us, and there was I think there might have been 50 people. No, maybe not that many, 30 to 40 people, and she grouped us into little groups of about 6. For us to make a nice detailed swap for. And I've got to say, I was really amused when I got my cards back, because we did not talk about what we were making, we just made them and sent them. So this is what I received. This card is the one I made using a petal palette. So I'm just going to show you them first. Do you think that we as a team like petal palette a bit? I think we might. So then I'm going to share the one that's not petal palette first. This is from Deb's toner, who goes by Debsy Daisy, and I love this card. I haven't bought this paper yet. This is the Painted with Love paper, and it's beautiful. I love this card, Debs. It's really, really cute. And I also really want to know how on earth you've printed on Post-it notes. I've just completely intrigued. I'm going to have to ask you in person, I think, next time I see you, because that's really cool. So that is the first card I received. This one is from Vicky Thompson at Penguin Crafts, and me and Vicky have talked quite a bit recently because she's just upgraded her blog, which is fabulous, but she's used the same WordPress theme as me, and she asked me if I minded, and I said no, not at all, because it's a fabulous, I'm really proud of the look of my blog. I think my blog looks amazing. Her blog now looks amazing too. I was like, no, I really don't mind. We make totally different kinds of projects, except that now we've used the same products. I haven't got this paper though. This is the Sweet Soiree paper, and it's gorgeous. Look at that silver foiling. It's so pretty. So thank you ever so much, Vicky, for swapping. I think these are so funny. This one is from Paper J Crafts, which I know is Laurie Jennings. And she has made this card, and it's gorgeous. This flower here, which is also from the Petal Palette stamp set, but she has covered hers with Wink of Stella pen, and it is just gorgeous. I have to say, she's also used a product that completely passed me by, which is this sequined embossing folder. It's stunning. I might have to grab that as well. This is the problem with swapping. You always want all the things that somebody swapped with you. And this card is one of those cards that it arrived, and I just looked at the envelope and got really, really excited, because look at those stamps. This card has come all the way from Germany, and my friend Anna, and I just thought the outside of her envelope was gorgeous. She stamped on it, and why do the Germans have such good stamps? That's really just so stunning. And then she made us this card, which also uses the Petal Palette stamp set. She's put all the details and things on the inside, which is why everything's falling out. She's used one of my favourite colours, which is Fresh Fig, and then it's got Brusho on it, which I am loving. I am loving a bit of Brusho. I have shared Brusho with you here on Stampin' by Hannah on YouTube. But I'm not sharing much of it because I think it is being slightly overdone. But I think that is a fabulous background. It's gorgeous. Cute little bird. I think that qualifies as a blue tit, don't you, with this little blue belly? And so that is the cards I received as part of my team swap. Thank you ever so much for joining me here at Stampin' by Hannah. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will try and remember to link, I certainly will have linked all the ladies' blogs on my blog post. You'll be able to find my blog. Some of them do have YouTube channels as well, I think. I think Vicky does. I'll have to check about the others. But thank you ever so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.